What is Pictory AI and who uses this AI video generator tool? Pictory AI is a tool that you can create and edit professional quality videos by using text, images, articles, or blog posts and video clips. You just provide your script, and Pictory automatically turns it into a video. Also, you can turn your articles or blog posts into videos. You just paste the URL, and it will convert the article into video scenes with matching visuals and voiceover options. Another useful feature is the ability to turn long videos into shorter clips. This is great for sharing shorter snippets on social media, like YouTube short videos. You can quickly create engaging content without editing everything manually. Maybe you don't speak English, or you just don't want to talk in your videos. Maybe you don't have much time to edit videos for different purposes, or you don't have special editing skills. With Pictory AI, you can do it all in just a few minutes without worrying about any of that. Pictory AI automatically selects the best images and video footage for your text and make video processing too fast. Pictory offers over 3 million visuals which are royalty-free and licensed from various sources. You can easily change these visuals with a single click and even use your own assets. Easily, you can upload your files like images, video footages, music, or even your own voice too. It's useful for any video creators and busy individuals and any business owners. People who are digital marketer, have marketing agencies, content marketers, any educational and learning course creators, social media managers. With Pictory AI, you can create contents for multiple platforms. Make promotional content. Save money and time. You can boost your business and create videos in minutes for YouTube channels and make money without needing advanced editing skills or software to download. If you're looking for an easy way to create videos and automate your video creation, why not give Pictory AI a try? It's perfect for beginners and saves you tons of time. Click the link below to sign up free and see how simple video creation can be.